Airshare 300, how's your ride been that line?
Yeah, we need to descend Airshare 300.
You need to descend?
Yeah, we need to descend and we need to go to an airport.
Okay, do you know where you need to go?
No, we need to go to a airport that has medical facilities close by.
Okay, you're pretty much over Barnes. You've got Bradley. It's 12 o'clock in about 20 miles if you'd like to go there.
How about Bradley?
All right, we can do that. Airshare 300, descend and maintain flight level 240.
Descend and maintain flight level 240, Airshare 300.
Airshare 300, I'm going to get you on a vector to get you that way. Flight heading 150.
Heading 150, Airshare 300.
And Airshare 300, what's the nature of the emergency?
Passenger has a laceration.
Laceration, roger. We'll make sure there's medical there for you. And Airshare 300, contact Boston on 133.42. They'll have lower for you.
13342, Airshare 300.
The blue
Boston Airshare 300, descend at 240 at 150 heading.
That was blocked, but it was for 1955.
JetBlue 1955, permitted for emergency aircraft, flight heading 310.
Heading 310, JetBlue 1955.
285 Tango Mike, contact Boston Center on 126.22, good day.
2622, great day, 5 Tango Mike.
Airshare 300, 24.5, descend at 240.
Airshare 300, Boston, good afternoon, descend and maintain 11,000, Bradley, altimeter 3001.
11,000, 3001, Airshare 300.
Airshare 300, 1 able, flight heading 180.
Okay, 181 able, Airshare 300.
Airshare 300, contact the Providence, the Bradley approach, 123.95 today.
2395, Airshare 300, thanks, sir. Bradley Airshare 300 is out of 18, descend at 1,000, 220 heading.
The approach 2, information is current at Bradley. You can expect the visual approach runway 6 or 33, your discretion, wind 4.
Yeah, we'll take the visual of 6 and 302, Air 300.
Airshare 300, turn right heading of a 250 to maintain 4,000.
250 heading down to 4,000, Airshare 300. Yes, 30.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. First, I'd like to welcome you on board Air Arabia. We are currently in home mode and are hoping to be in the air soon. The sky is going to be clear, and if we all cooperate, we should get a great view of the world ahead of schedule. Our cabin crew will be ready to greet you on board as soon as we get through this situation together. Until then, stay home, relax, and see you.
Portable telephones are not approved for use in flight. However, you may use certain other electronic devices when advised by your crew. For everyone's safety, regulations require your compliance with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal fitting into the buckle and adjust the strap so that it fits low and tight around your hips. To release, lift the faceplate of the buckle. Please review the safety instructions card located in the seat pocket in front of you. It explains the safety features of this aircraft, as well as the location and the operation of the exits and flotation devices. Your seat cushion serves as an approved flotation device. To remove it, lift up and take it with you to the nearest usable exit. After exiting the
also refrain from smoking at all times until you're inside the terminal building. Prevent an emergency landing. There is a life jacket under the seat for you. If you're not familiar with the use of this equipment, read the route instructions on the before takeoff. And the flight time in 15 minutes.
Passing over the northern shore of Long Island. Should be touching down here in about 15-20 minutes for an on-time arrival. Current weather, light winds, a few scattered clouds, temperature is about 84 degrees. I enjoyed having you on board this morning. Always appreciate your business. Hope to fly with you again in the future. Get another 15-20 minutes of flight attendants, please. Prepare the cabin for arrival.
Express 866, contact approach 19050.
That's Boeing 5172, we are descending flight level 70 on course to Sierra Papa Lima.
Oscientis Yankee, descent flight level 100, after active proceed to Sierra Papa Yankee.
This is your captain speaking. On today's flight, we'll be serving a fabulous lunch. Just make sure you know where the barf bag is, because you're going to need it. Thank you very much.
Flight A07, approaching runway 7 Bravo.
Above. Minimum. $300. $200.
$100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard, retard.
Local time is approximately 1 o'clock. We will be taxiing for a few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed till the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
This is Stuttgart Airport information. Alpha Met report time 1620. Expect ILS approach runway 25. Transition level 60. Wind 140 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility 9 kilometers. Light rain. Clouds get up 3000 feet. Temperature 24. Dew point 18. QNH 1018. No sick. Information Alpha out.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
On behalf of the flight crew, thank you for flying with us and have a pleasant stay.
This is Stuttgart Airport information. Alpha, Met report time 1620. Expect ILS approach runway 25. Transition level 60. Wind 140 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility 9 kilometers. Light rain. Clouds get up 3000 feet. Temperature